You have 3 seconds to solve this. 4 feet.
Shake it like you move it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Hi. I'm upset. A few days ago, I was having some fun with my friend, and he said something to me that really hurt my feelings.
Dude, really? Learn to drive, bozo.
So that's why I came up with a brilliant plan to get my revenge. The box bomb. With this device here, I intend to blow up my friend in the same way that he blew up my heart with his harsh words. Okay, so how this will work is we're gonna have the brain of the device be a ESP32C3 Super Mini. That's a little dev board. And on it, we'll have an arm switch so that I can arm the device. And then a lid switch, which will be rigged up here to detect whether or not the lid is being opened or closed. And we'll have a multicolor RGB LED here to indicate the status of the machine. As for the firing part, the explosive part, we'll be using this. This is a 40 max shell. This is, you charge it up with propane and you press a valve on the back and it blows all the propane out of this side. We're gonna make a custom cartridge that screws onto here. That'll be filled with little foam balls. Now, to get this to fire, we'll be using a servo and a little pusher actuator arm that'll push in the valve. So that's it. It's pretty simple, so let's get to building it. All right, so here's the actual device. It's using the same firing mechanism as the Claymore Mine project. I just stripped off the sensors and added this adjustable angle base. It's also got a newly designed shell with this frame on it that allows me to put a message on top. All right, the parts that we designed have been 3D printed. Now we just gotta rip them off the build plate here. This is a 40 max shell screwing onto the other bit. Some nylock nuts being installed with the arbor press. Now for some screws. Check out this sweet one-handed technique here. Just gonna test fit these pieces now. Eesh. Those little nylock nuts are scratching this up down here. That's no good. We're gonna have to fix that. All right, made some modifications and now these should work. Here's the new parts. Here's the old ones that we don't need anymore. Let's put it together. We're putting in some screws again. Now we're screwing it, and now it's servo time. Wow, what the heck? Oh, that's way too tight. Yeah. Oh no. Ugh. What the hell? That's way too tight. What's going on? Wow. Looks like I'm gonna have to reprint that too. Look, the reason this is happening is because I bought some filament on Amazon and it was rated pretty poorly, but I thought, hey, I'm a truth seeker. I'm gonna find out for myself if this is good or bad filament. And the hundreds of other reviews are right. This filament is trash. It prints everything out of spec. It has poor layer adhesion. It's stringy. It's just awful. So, Soleil brand filament. I've got an important message. The F-Tech 2 AMR anti-material rifle is out now. Files, hardware kits, pre-builds. It's all available on foamtechnician.com. It's my own website. Support me directly. Go check it out. foamtechnician.com. Thank you. Okay, back to the build, and it's taking a little bit longer than expected, so we're gonna go through this quickly. Basically, I'm just screwing all the parts together. Awesome. Now we're gonna wire it up, and I'm just taping a bunch of wires together and plugging in a bunch of junk, and there we have it. Okay, this is wired up. Now, let's go program it and dry run it. All right, it's coding time. Hello?
What do you want this time?
Yeah, so basically I just created a device, we'll call it the box bomb, and I'm gonna pass it off to my friend, and basically what's gonna happen is when he opens the device, it's gonna blow up in his face. Now there's some electronic components in there, so I'm gonna need your help coding it.
Absolutely not. I hate you and I'm not helping you make an IED.
Okay, you don't understand the full scope of the situation. My friend said that I'm a bozo and that I'm not good at driving RC cars.
Shut up.
Okay. Please? Please?
Fine, but just this once.
All right. Step 1, the list of demands. We're gonna tell ChatGPT exactly how we have the electronics set up, so that's all the pinout, and then we're gonna tell it how we want it to behave. Step 2, copy and paste all of that generated code, Control-C, Control-V, right into Arduino Cloud. Then we're gonna compile and upload. Step 3, encounter endless errors. We're gonna run into trouble compiling stuff, missing libraries, getting the code uploaded to the board. We'll figure all that stuff out, except the servos aren't responding. Okay, it's not working. That one's a tricky issue. So we're gonna waste all of our time trying to debug these issues, compile it a million times, and then run into a compiling limit. Turns out Arduino Cloud isn't a free service. If I want to continue, I gotta pay these subscriptions. I can't afford that. So instead, we're gonna boot up Arduino IDE and compile it locally. Copy and paste all of that code that wasn't working before, same stuff, put it into Arduino IDE and upload it. And magically, it works. Yeah, okay, that looks good. So that compiling limit that was on Arduino Cloud was a blessing in disguise. We're almost done. Now we just have to make a box for it. Look at this, it's got a battery warning. Isn't that perfect? Because there's gonna be a battery in here. So here I am cutting a bunch of boxes, and I'm gonna use tape to turn those boxes into another box, but with a hinged lid. Now, oh shit, I just broke that. Now we gotta reprint it. That sucks, I was so hyped. We were literally just about to test this. Ah! Now let's go put this into a box. Here it is, all packed up. We got our main electronics here, indicator LED, firing mechanism, arm switch, and then this is the lid switch right here. I upgraded it into a much bigger limit switch. I also have magnets on here, so it helps keep the lid closed. And we got the battery warning. The one last thing I forgot to mention, this is the message frame. It fits over the shell like this. And on top, I'll have a message taped over it. And the idea behind this is that as my friend takes the time to read the message, the shell will explode, blast through the paper and hit him in the face. Okay. Now let's power it up, put in the shell. Put on this little message thing, and let's close it up. Okay, here we go. Mystery box. Oh, that worked perfectly. Everything shot out. That was perfect. All right. You know what? I have the confidence to blow it up in my face now. Let's run it back. Now that I know that it's not gonna destroy me and it's not too dangerous, I'm gonna take the blast head on. And hopefully the video will look kind of cool. You have 3 seconds to solve this. 14. Hello? Hey, Nico. Hey, are you home right now?
Yeah, why? What's up?
I've been making a little gift for you, so I was wondering if I could swing by and drop it off.
Oh, all right. Yeah, man. I'll be here.
Okay, sweet. Nico!
Hey, what's up, Tetsu?
Hey, I got a gift for you.
Sweet, dude. Come on in, dude.
All right, thank you.
So what's all this then?
So I made like a little, it plays music with electronics and,
I'm not hearing any music.
okay. Oops.
You gotta figure that out, or?
Yeah, let me. Oh, I think I just forgot to orange. Hey, if you liked that video, please subscribe and go check out foamtechnician.com. Those gates over there, they're locked, so I'm gonna go back down and make some more videos, all right? See ya! Okay, that kind of hurt a little bit. That was good.